Unboxing Iron Man. Hot Toys vs Funko. Here we go. Hot Toys Iron Man Mark 6 with Gantry. It comes with a backdrop. Loving the details on the figurine. Iron Man suit displayed individually. Now attached Iron Man onto it. There is an earpiece on Iron Man. Did you spot it? Hot Toys Iron Man Mark 6 vs Funko Morgan Stark and Tony Stark 2-pack. Hologram sticker in the middle to create a projection effect from the mask to the hologram Iron Man. It comes with a backdrop. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like this Morgan Stark and Tony Stark 2-pack. Such a beautiful glow-in-the-dark effect. Click the link in the description to purchase this Funko Iron Man 2-pack. Morgan Stark's eyes, mask and glove glows in the dark. Click the link in the description to purchase this Funko Iron Man 2-pack. Iron Man 2 with Gantry. Hot Toys vs Funko. Let's start with Hot Toys Iron Man 2 suit up with Gantry. Nicely packed in this hexagon futuristic looking box. It comes with a backdrop. Smash the like and subscribe button if you like this Iron Man. Iron Man is detachable. The chest plate and mask are displayed individually. Iron Man suit is with metallic finishing. Did you love the Hot Toys Iron Man with Gantry already? Now we will unbox Funko Iron Man 2 with Gantry. Here we go. Iron Man is attached to the Gantry. Such a beautiful glow-in-the-dark effect. Click the link in the description to purchase this Funko Iron Man with Gantry. Iron Man with Gantry. Funko vs Hot Toys. What is your vote? Funko Iron Man or Hot Toys Iron Man? Leave in the comment. We would love to hear from you. Smash the like and subscribe button. Till then, happy toy collecting.